Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change line spacing in Canva. First of all, add any text you want. Then to create a line spacing between this text, just select this letter and click on the this spacing button, which is at the top navigation bar, and slide this small circle which says line spacing, and you can see that the space between the text has been decreased. By sliding it to the right, the spacing between the text will be increased. So that is how you can change the letter spacing on Canva. If you only want to change the text space between one line, you can simply copy this text box and paste it here. After that, delete the remaining text. Now align both text here and just create how much space you want between them. You can do this by just sliding it like this, or you can also use arrow keys to be more precise. This is the manual process for creating a line spacing, and you can also do this from the inbuilt function here. So this is how you can create a line spacing between text in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.